Hello everyone, this is Anshika and today I'm here with a very interesting activity for you all and let me first introduce you all with the material we required. So here I have, see, it's the detergent powder and it's the turmeric powder which we regularly use in cooking, lukewarm water, dropper and a spoon. So you'll not require both of these, but any one of these you can take. I'll tell you how to do experiment with both of these. Okay, so first my water is a bit hot, so let us keep it aside to get a bit cold. Lukewarm water. Okay, so till then I'll tell you what are acids and bases. So first of all, as let me tell you that all of you, I mean all of you who are watching this, uh, if you are above class 7 or in class 7, you all must be aware this acid, bases and salts, right? You must have studied this. So acids are what? Acids are they are sour in taste and they are corrosive in nature, right? I'll not go much deeper because you all must be aware of this. And for example, we can take orange juice, and what else we can take? We can take curd, we can take vinegar. So these all are acids, right? Now bases, what are bases? So bases are they are soapy to touch, like when you touch them they'll you'll feel like soapy, and they are bitter in taste. Okay, so example of this are like, if I told you I mean if I said that they are soapy to touch, then the first example is soap, right? Next is ammonium, and there are many more examples like this. I'll not give you all of them, but okay. So these are acids and bases. Now salts also you all must be aware of. What are salts? Your mother must be using in everyday life in cooking. When she cooks foods, she adds salt, right, for taste. So that is salt. And the reaction, the very common reaction, that is neutralization reaction, is what? When we add acid and base, the we get salt and water. So acid plus base gives us salts and water. Okay, so now without running late, let us start with our experiment. So sorry, I'm really very sorry for that. Can you see this? Yes, acids and base. Just a second. So this is the detergent powder and this is the turmeric. Now it's clearly visible to you. So detergent and turmeric powder is the normal turmeric powder. This is normal turmeric powder that you use, that your mother use in cooking. And this detergent, this is also the normal detergent which is used to wash the clothes, right? So, and here is my water, this is the dropper, and this is the spoon, right? So these are things. First let me show you with the dropper. Okay, so let us move it aside, and this also. So I'll take a few part, very small part of this turmeric and a very small part of this uh, detergent powder. Okay, I'll mix them. See, I mixed them, okay, together. Can you see this? See, so now is the experiment done? No, we'll keep this spoon aside and we'll take the dropper, right? Dropper, we'll take a few drops of water in this, not much, a few drops, right? Oops, sorry. See, and we'll mix it, like we'll add a few drops of water. See, the water should not be very much hot. If it is very much hot, then you will lose your dropper. It will not destroy, but it will get damaged. It can get damaged. Okay, and the experiment will also not be in a proper way. So I'll take a few more detergent powder, some more detergent, like, okay. See, it turned red. It is red now. Can you see this? uh, okay, you must not be able to see this properly, but when I'll do this using the spoon, you'll be able to see this properly. See, I'm taking the turmeric powder and I'm adding it into the water. See, the water, no sorry, the turmeric is yellow when it is acidic, and it turns red when it is bases. So now I'm adding the this detergent powder in this. Uh, okay. So see, the water is turning to red. It will turn pure red on mixing. See, now this is pure red. Can you see this? Yes. So if you want, so you can add more this, what is this, turmeric and detergent if you want. As much as turmeric you will add, as much as detergent you will add, it will turn more red. See, can you see this? Okay. uh, if you are able to see this, then very good. If not, then let me show it to you through. See, can you see this now? It's red. Okay. See the redness, right? Can you see this? Yes. So it's amazing. It's amazing experiment. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed a lot, and I must say, because this experiment is done with the regular things which we use, so you all can also try this. Okay, it's a very interesting experiment, and it's one of my favorite experiment, I say. Easiest and most interesting. Let me show you the red color once again. See, the dark red color which we got. Okay, so this is the easy and interesting activity, I must say. It's one of my favorite because this red color is my favorite. So hope you all enjoyed a lot. Please try this activity at home and just tell me, did you like my activity, did you like my experiment, the way of experiment I did. And if you have any doubts regarding acid, bases and salts, please ask me.